Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and in the video friends I will show you guys how to disable auto rotate screen mode on oppo phone. Friends, you want to disable, you don't want to use guys your auto rotate settings. So how to disable guys auto rotate mode on Google phone device or guys oppo phone device. In this video friends I will show you guys. Friends, you can see screen rotate automatic. So how to disable auto rotate mode on oppo phone. Friend, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your display and brightness setting guys. Display brightness guys, we will on it. After on display brightness guys, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see auto rotate setting here. So you will have to only tap here guys your screen auto rotate will disable. And friends, now you can use guys your YouTube app, and guys Google app. Friends, you can see screen will not disable on oppo phone. Friends, you can see you can try guys, screen will not disable friends. So like that guys your auto rotate setting guys you can disable. Friends, you can use your Google app. Friends, you can see screen will not disable automatic. So like that guys we can disable guys auto rotate mode. And friends, you can disable your search option also guys. Search your guys direct guys auto setting I will search here, and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see auto rotate guys, tap here direct. Friends, you can enable from here. You want to use guys your auto rotate setting. So after enable guys, you want to rotate your YouTube app, you can rotate and you can use it. Friends, you don't want to use, friends, again click on guys search option, and guys direct guys you can disable auto rotate setting. After disable guys we cannot rotate our screen. Friends, you can see screen will not rotate on oppo phone guys. So like that guys we can disable auto rotate mode on oppo phone. So bye guys, we will meet on next video.